Good day everybody, today we're going to have a review GKS 12V-LI professional mini circular saw. I buy this around 375 ringgit, not including transport. This 375 is I bought it on a shop. This is a solo set without any battery or charger. If you need a you need battery and charger, the starter kit of 2 battery and 1 charger costs around 180 to 200 something. You can have a look on the website. I have been using for this circular saw for I think more than 2 years. Now I do review. I'm not a very good carpenter, but I need this to do some simple cutting work. So we'll open up this box and see what is inside. We have a manual. We have a manual. This is an optional accessory I brought. If you brought during 10.8 volt, is free, is included. This is a circular saw. This suction hose is also optional accessory. I brought it separately. It costs around 12 ringgit. If not mistaken, this one costs around 25 or 30 ringgit. You can look it online. So that's inside for the box. If you have battery and charger, they will include it. Mine is a solo set without any battery and charger. So the blade size is 85 mm. So the overall is 85, but the cutting length I don't think is 85. Hold on, I get my measuring tape. The cutting depth I think is around 30 mm because I measure it this way until this area because they have cut a bit here due to the base. So I think it's around 28 to 30 mm deep you can cut. When you buy this circular saw, you get two spare hex nut here and here, but I use it for other things already. First of all, the vacuum hose you buy optional accessory doesn't come with the hex nut, and you can buy the hex nut as well. I think it's around 10 ringgit per piece. I already ordered, not yet come because recently I need to use the hose and the guide reel together, so I need to buy one more because the reel itself need 2 nuts, one here, one bottom here. So that's all. And this circular saw do come with their Allen key. You can see here their Allen key. So all the hex nut is being used. All the hex nut need to use this Allen key to do some adjustment or lock it. Very convenient. They located here, so it won't lose. If you lost, you just buy a standard one and just replace it. That's all. So that's all for this simple review and open box for this GKS 12V circular saw. So do remember, if you are using this bag, if you are using this circular saw and use this bag as a guide rail, do remember they have one pickup here, a little bit of hump here. So it's around 1 mm deep. So when you cut that time, you have to be careful because the center here is lower, so they may have twisting, not straight cut lah. So normally what I recommend is using this so-called rail guide, and this rail guide you can use it easier to cut, but you have to use 2 screws together. If you already have 2 screws, then no problem lah. Cause one of my screw I use for the so-called the vacuum hose already, so I'm not able to secure it. So what I do, I need to order the screw. So I'm still waiting for the screw to arrive. Then once that you have a larger length here to do some straight cuts. That's a disadvantage of this circular saw lah. I'm not sure they recommend to use this guide or this area lah, but I still don't understand how Bosch designed this thing with these 2 hump here. Maybe I'm not very good at using the circular saw, maybe. So that's all lah for review, the disadvantage of this. Other than that, it's okay lah. I've been using for 2 years cutting. You have to know tips and tricks how to use this one lah. So that's all for my review. If you like my video, please click on like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.